Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on your ACER Chromebook 315. First, open the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen, then go to Settings, and then in Settings, select Device on the sidebar, go to Touchpad menu, and here find Touchpad Speed and Touchpad Acceleration. You can enable or disable touchpad acceleration, which will also affect your touchpad sensitivity. But here, by changing the touchpad speed, you can basically manage your touchpad sensitivity by making it more sensitive, moving this slider to the right, or less sensitive by moving it to the left. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.